This video explains how to adjust the hand alignment if the time indicated by the hands is different from digital time. Hold down the C button for about 2 seconds to return to timekeeping mode from any other mode. Now, hold down the B button until zeros starts to flash on the display to start hand alignment mode. Use A button and D button to adjust the mode hand to the 0 position. Hold down A button or D button to move the hands at high speed, and press again to stop the hand movement. Now, press C button to start the hour and minute hand adjustment. Use A button and D button to adjust the hour and minute hand to 12 o'clock position. Hold down A button or D button to move the hands at high speed, and press again to stop the hand movement. Once the settings are the way you want, press B button to exit from setting mode to timekeeping mode. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe to G-Shock Middle East YouTube channel and like our videos.